Hey y'all, it's Jessie Lynn and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, go ahead and look down below and click the subscribe button and the bell so you can always be notified whenever I upload a video. And if you're returning, thank you so much. Before we get started, please give this video a thumbs up. It means so much to me. And we're just gonna jump into this. As you can tell from the title, today is gonna be a drugstore tutorial. I haven't done one of these in forever and I love being able to do these and show y'all some amazing, affordable products. So first I'm gonna go in with this Found Smoothing Face Primer. I love Found and people are always asking me where you can find it at, and it is sold at some Walmarts, but I mean you can always go to walmart.com or to Found's website. I think it's under Discover Found. But anyways, they just have a really awesome products with natural ingredients. While I'm doing my foundation, I am gonna clip my hair out of the way. I look so beautiful. Just kidding. Anyways, okay, so for foundation, I'm going in with the Physicians Formula, the Healthy Foundation. It has SPF 20 in it, and this is in the shade LN3. Oh, that sounded great. Sounds like I ate beans. All right, now I'm gonna go in with my e.l.f. sponge and blend that out. I'm gonna get my ear without getting my earrings dirty. I love this foundation. And for today's look, I'm going for like a glowy type look. All right, I'm gonna add a little bit more to my forehead and my cheeks to add a little bit more coverage. This foundation is about a medium coverage, medium to full, but I like to build it up a little bit. I'm gonna go in with my CoverGirl Ready Set Gorgeous in the shade Light. Okay, so my husband had a really cool idea. Y'all gotta let me know what y'all think about it. If y'all have ever seen the show Nailed It on Netflix, oh my gosh, we're so obsessed. It is the funniest. Anyways, well, my husband had a great, oh, that's crooked. My husband had the great idea to, there goes my stomach growling. Y'all knew it was gonna happen. Anyways, my husband had the bright idea to do a makeup version of Nailed It. We're gonna pick out a picture online of someone's makeup, like on Pinterest or something, and he's gonna try to recreate it on me. So let me know what y'all think about that. I think that would be a lot of fun, but we wanna know if that's something y'all wanna see. I wanna start doing more videos with him because he's just so much fun and I love doing stuff together. So yeah, y'all let us know what y'all think. Or if y'all have any other ideas that y'all want us to do. where I put that concealer, I'm going to go in with my Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder in the shade Fair. Oh, I'm starving. I don't know why I always eat after I film, knowing y'all are going to hear the gremlins in my stomach. To contour today, I'm going in with this Milani Contour and Highlight in the shade Light Natural. And it's got a highlighter on one side and then the contour on the other side. I love this. If you haven't already, I won this, or if you haven't already seen, I won this in a giveaway from my friend Valitra, my sister. Y'all, we should have been sisters. Anyways, this stuff is amazing, amazing, amazing. But I'm just putting it right there and then gonna blend it out. I just love how soft and natural it looks. I'm gonna go in with my L'Oreal True Match Lumi Bronze It. And does it have a shade? Yes, light. I'm so obsessed with this stuff. And then I'm just going to bronze the face. Now for blush, I'm going to go in with my Found Bake Illuminating Blush. I love this because it just gives a nice soft glow, peachy glow to your face. For highlighter, I'm going in with this LA Colors Strobing Illuminating Powder. And I just want to say this stuff is like $3 or $4 and it is probably one of the most blinding highlights I've ever used. It is so good. There goes my stomach. Do y'all see that? Like, oh, it is so blinding. If y'all are watching this and have made it this far, tell me what y'all think about this highlighter. I always like seeing who really watches. All right, now for my eyeshadow, I'm going in with this Catrice Cosmetics, the Essential Nude. This is what it looks like. Just going for just an everyday simple look. Yeah. I'm not trying to do anything too crazy. I just wanted to focus on doing showing some drugstore makeup off and doing a glowy look. To start off, I'm gonna go in with that shade and put that on my lid. Make sure my lid is good and set. Y'all know the drill. So we're just gonna like gradually build this up. So I'm gonna go in with that next super light shade and start working that in the crease. Okay, that's so light you can't even see it. Just to satisfy my OCD, I'm gonna go ahead and do it on the other eye. All right, so now we're gonna take that shade and work that in the crease. All right, now I am going to go in with a little bit denser of a brush. I'm going to go in with that shade right there and work that in the corner. Going in lightly and building up the way I like it. Like I said, I don't want nothing dramatic or anything like that. It's just going to be an everyday to work, to school, run errands, whatever it is you're doing. Going in with that other brush I was using with I didn't add any product, and just blending. I'm gonna go in with this shade right there called Light and highlight my brow bone with that. And just go in lightly with that big fluffy brush. I'm gonna okay, now I'm gonna go in with that shade right there, and I'm gonna put some on my brush, then I'm gonna spray it. Just put that on the lid. I'm gonna be quite honest right now. I picked this palette because I haven't used it in a while, and I really love just the browns and the basics in here, but I'm actually not really loving this palette. Let me do it with my finger. That's a little bit better. I don't know. Like, it just feels so dry. I don't know. I don't know. Like, I just don't think I will use this again. I feel like there's just other palettes out there that I could have better achieved this look with. Because I want it to be, you know, a natural everyday look, but I also want you to be able to see it. This is very soft, very soft. So if you like super soft looks, then you'll like this palette. All right, so I'm gonna go in with my L'Oreal Brow Stylist Shape and Feel and my Physicians Formula Highlighter Eye Definer Eyeliner Pencil in Ultra Black off camera real quick, and I'll be right back. All right, now I'm gonna go in with my Wet n Wild Lash Renegade Mascara. I love, is that upside down? No. I love the packaging of this, it's so cute. And that's what the wand looks like. I love how the wand is at the end because it's easy to go in and get the spots you missed, or the lashes you missed. All right, now for my lips, I'm going in with the Slay All Day from Lottie London in the shade Fleek. And if y'all been watching me, then y'all know that I absolutely love their liquid lipsticks. So for my setting spray, I'm going in with my Found Halo Illuminating Setting Spray. And I can't talk today. You have to shake it well. I think I got some in my eye. This is it for my drugstore or full face of drugstore glowy type look. If there's anything that y'all want me to do, anything you want me to film, anything you want me to talk about, just anything, comment down below and let me know. Let me know what y'all think about these products, how you like this look, what your plans are for this summer. Just talk to me. Anyways, I'll see y'all in my next video. Toodles.